Hey everyone, so it is almost 2 weeks since my surgery. Here are some exercises that I'm doing now just on mat that I suggest that you try on your own. They're easy, you can just do them at home with just a mat or just on the carpet. Keep in mind, do what you can based on what your comfort level is. So I do feel some pulling in my abdominal core region. Just be wary and see how it feels for yourself. And you can try to modify things to make it easier or harder based on your pain. So give it a shot, and here we go.